Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Solutions, here to help you make the best decisions in cryptocurrency and in cryptocurrency technical analysis. Today's cryptocurrency in Bitcoin technical analysis YouTube video. So we are going to be talking about the Bitcoin price right here. So first, I just want to say here that I'm going to change these lines over here just to make it easier to navigate to the people who haven't seen this part before, which will be the Fibonacci retracements. I'm gonna just show you where I was drawing the Fibonacci retracements, and I'm just going to change it very quickly. You see these lines over here, these orange lines, and here those are the Fibonacci retracements. So what I will do in this case is I will manually just put the Fibonacci retracements like this. So just in case for the people who just don't understand those lines, so it can be easier to navigate there. Not easier, but depending. And so those lines, what I will do right now is I will pause the video for a second to delete those lines. Just a second. I'm not going to delete those lines, but I'm going to hide those lines. Wait a second, guys. Okay guys, so going here in the daily time frame, we see that the Bitcoin price right here, I'm just going to hide the drawings just for a second here. I'm just gonna pull out the indicators real quick. The simple moving averages here. Right now, almost all of the simple moving averages are caught up like this. So right now, it's kind of a mess, because right now we have rejection support. But you can see right here that looking at this is forming a bullish divergence. I'm going to show you really quickly here. So you see in the RSI, you see this lower low right here. There's a higher high in the RSI. This is a bullish divergence in the daily time frame, which is a good thing, okay? It's a very good thing, because usually when you have those bullish divergences, you see a bounce like this, usually. And then after that, the Bitcoin price just decides if it wants to go down or up. But what is almost guaranteed is that it's going to most likely do this, at least retest around these levels, half of this movement, find strong resistance around here on 44,000, most likely using the candlesticks and this and what I'm seeing right now in the Bitcoin price action. So when we put out the drawings over here, going into the 4-hour time frame, there's a lot of things, but I'm gonna explain that very quickly here. So we can see that the Bitcoin price, like I told you guys, if the Bitcoin price managed to complete this double bottom, expect for the Bitcoin price to go to this level, around this level. But you can see that you can also count this as a double bottom also, like this. Like here, it went lower, boom, retested this white line as support, and then bounced. So I just want to mention here that I'm going to delete this to have just less lines over there. So the target for this pattern right here, which was a ascending triangle right here, was all the way down around this $37,800 level, but it came close to it here. It came all the way down to $38,580 level. Also, you can support my YouTube channel by clicking the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get an elite VIP crypto investor membership, where you get an immediate short-term buying opportunities, immediate short-term selling opportunities for Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Chainlink, and cryptocurrencies of your choice. Also, you get technical analysis updates for Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Chainlink, and potential cryptocurrencies of your choice 5 days a week. Complete overview of the cryptocurrency market 2 times per week. Start of the week and end of the week. Elite VIP Crypto Investor Discord group chat. Live updates where I tell you my buying targets and my selling targets immediately when I do them in the exact moment. And you get to see when I buy and when I sell cryptocurrencies in live time. Live weekly long-term cryptocurrency price updates, which is and podcast where I complete an overview of the cryptocurrency markets. And also I will tell you with a high certainty the Bitcoin tops and Bitcoin bottoms with certainty during Bitcoin cycles and in the long term. So If you are interested in regards of having a person who can lead you to the correct cryptocurrency app with a high certainty, then you can click in the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get a 10% discount when starting out this month. And at the same time, you get access to my complete overview of the cryptocurrency market, and also I can teach you how to navigate with this market so you can have an edge at the cryptocurrency market as time passes, and at the same time you get to learn how to look at the cryptocurrency market with a professional overview. By 800, like for $700, it didn't meet up the target, and it didn't meet the target also because here it found really strong support around this level, this white line. That's very good. Wow, it's a perfect support right there out of this falling wedge right here. You see right here, so you see this falling wedge, boom, resistance, support, rejection, broke out, retest, perfect retest, and then bounced, made a higher high. Now most likely we do this, boom, create a higher low. It can go all the way down to even $39,500 level, and it still will count as a higher low if it maintains support right there and then bounces like this. And you can see that the technical price target for this falling wedge will be all the way up right here around this level, around this $47,280 level. And you see right here, guys, that the double bottom scenario I was mentioning, like it still may be in play, because you see right here this neckline found resistance, huge resistance right there. You can see it right there. So right now the Bitcoin price is trying to maintain that neckline as support, but for the moment, let's see, it's above. Here is the neckline. Still, it has maintained support right here, kind of, because look at that. Try to hold support different times over here, a bunch of times. It finally did, then a fake out, rejection, then finally came back here. It's not looking good, because just usually from what I have seen before, if a neckline is not being respected, and when I mean respected, is not letting even the wicks going down like this. Okay, not a lot of times. When you see a lot of wicks like this, usually that's support, that's resistance. For some reason, most of the times it will reject the Bitcoin price. Right now, the Bitcoin price is on top of the resistance, but if you count this wick over here, it's still counting as resistance. But this neckline, I drew it over there because it coincided right here. It made a lot of sense, and it still does right there. So in summary, usually if the Bitcoin price struggles to maintain support like this, especially when you have 4-hour body candle closes like this, a lot of them, usually it's gonna get rejected. Okay, it's not a guarantee, but that's what most of the times happens. So I will personally expect for this to first try to hold support, retest this again around this $41,480 level, maintain this as support. Do not keep wicking down like this, because that's not showing strength. Okay, when you're retesting support, you want to see this, like you break the resistance and you retest it. Okay, you maintain that support. Okay, you may wick, but you maintain most of the times above that support. But if you see just wick, body candle closes below, boom, like this, just usually that doesn't end good in the very short term. It maybe do this, form another pattern right here, and then break out and create a new head and shoulders, but that would be to be seen right now. So right now in the short term, that's what I'm seeing right now. If this W pattern ends up completing like this, boom, then expect for the Bitcoin price to go all the way up around here to this $43,800 level. And if you count the bullish divergence in the daily time frame, that also adds the probability of this move completing, and also you have this bullish divergence here in the 4-hour time frame also, which is a good thing also in the short term. And also, if you want to count the moon phases indicator, right now we're on the yellow side, so that's why you're seeing this bounce over here. Just look at how beautiful this plays out. It's just almost as simple as up when you're on the yellow side, and the dark blue down, and as soon as you got this yellow, boom, bounce. Most of the times it's that simple using this indicator, okay? That's a very good indicator. So right now, and you can also see that the Bitcoin price also found support on these pink lines. Those are monthly pivot points. Those are used by another a very, very important indicator, which is the CPR pivot points right here, which are these lines over here. I just put the pink line so it can be more easier to navigate and more easier to identify, because if you have this indicator on, then you have all of those lines added to all of the lines I already have. So it's better to just have it like this, in my opinion. So you see right here, seeing the bullish divergence in the 4-hour time frame, seeing the bullish divergence in the daily time frame, and also seeing that still the Bitcoin price is above this neckline, even if it's struggling. Just because of the bullish divergences, I would say in this case, the most likely Bitcoin price will bounce up, and also because of this falling wedge here that also broke out, perfect retest. That is an indication of strong support. Okay, you didn't see a wick down or various body candle closes below. You saw that strong support and boom, bounce. So I would say that because of the falling wedge breakout, a beautiful support, and now this double bottom scenario playing out, it's struggling, but most likely the bullish divergence in the 4-hour time frame and in the daily time frame, this bullish divergence also in the daily time frame will help the Bitcoin price. And also what will help the Bitcoin price is this yellow zone right here, which is the new moon. Usually when you see the new moon when you see the full moon to new moon, you see bullish energy, the yellow zone here. And when you see from full moon to new moon, then you will see the negative energy. That's how the market goes. That's how it just follows that aspect of the astrology. So hey, if it does that, use it to your advantage. So yeah, right now you're looking at the Fibonacci. There's a lot of things, but it's very important things right here. So look at the Fibonacci retracements right here. I'm just gonna put this Fibonacci retracements to the right side so it's easier to navigate. And there, yeah, like that. Just put it like this. Okay, I'm gonna extend the lines over here, like so. Beautiful. Come on, like this. Beautiful. So right here, guys, you can see that the Bitcoin price is finding very strong resistance with this yellow line. And this yellow line is not the Fibonacci retracement, it's this one. This top, for some reason, just keeps adding more confluence. Like you see here, resistance there, resistance, support on this crash, strong support, but it lost support, resistance, broke out, tried to hold support, and now it's finding resistance again. So this is showing that strong resistance with the Fibonacci retracement using the bearish retracements. But remember, because of the bullish divergences, this move will most likely see a bounce. Okay, this will take some time, like this, maybe something like this around May 10, a bounce like this, depending how quick it goes. And also yeah, that's what I'm seeing right now using the daily time frame and the 4-hour time frame, the Bitcoin price right here. And let's see if there's something else I can tell you guys about. If it's there. No, for the moment, still the Bitcoin price is ranging within this channel here. As long as the Bitcoin price remains in this channel, it is just consolidation until it finally breaks this resistance, this white line, or it breaks this support, this white line. Okay, that's the bigger pattern time frame right here. Okay, see it right here. So as soon as you break that resistance around that $50,000, then you can start getting very bullish. But as long as the Bitcoin price stays below here, we remain in consolidation like this, just not going too much down and not going too much up. And we will find very strong support around this level, and it even has the Fibonacci retracement around this 0.786 Fibonacci retracement around this $37,260 level. And here, that would be very strong support. Right now, finding resistance because of all of these ranges. But in summary, guys, expect a bounce most likely because, like I said before, even if I said it a couple of times, lower lows in the price here, higher highs in the RSI. That's a bullish sign. You got the moon phases. It's on the yellow side. Very beautiful. It has almost 2 weeks for a bullish continuation to the upside. That's how long usually the moon phases in the zones last. So like 14 days in average, most of the times. You got the 4-hour time frame bullish divergence also here. Boom. You got the falling wedge pattern breakout like this. Beautiful support. Continuation to the upside. You got the double bottom. It's trying to hold support right now. It's above the neckline. That's good. And the price target for this falling wedge will be all the way up around this $47,250 level, which will make a lot of sense. Then find very strong resistance around here, this yellow line. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing right now in the Bitcoin price, guys. So it remains mostly the same as almost 2 to 3 days ago because it's consolidating. So right now, that's what I'm seeing right now in the Bitcoin price, guys. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. If you enjoyed this YouTube video, guys, I would really appreciate it if you can leave a like, comment, and share this YouTube video with your friends. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto Solutions, if you haven't subscribed yet, guys. And also don't forget to click the bell notifications to stay ahead in the cryptocurrency market using my cryptocurrency technical analysis YouTube videos. That's the real way of how the markets will go using technical analysis. That's how it works. And also, guys, you can support my YouTube channel by clicking the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get an elite VIP crypto investor membership, where you get an immediate short-term buying opportunities, immediate short-term selling opportunities for Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Chainlink, and cryptocurrencies of your choice. Also, you get technical analysis updates for Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Chainlink, and potential cryptocurrencies of your choice 5 days a week. Complete overview of the cryptocurrency market 2 times per week. Start of the week and end of the week. Elite VIP Crypto Investor Discord group chat. Live updates where I tell you my buying targets and my selling targets immediately when I do them in the exact moment. And you get to see when I buy and when I sell cryptocurrencies in live time. Live weekly long-term cryptocurrency price updates, which is and podcast where I complete an overview of the cryptocurrency markets. And also I will tell you with a high certainty the Bitcoin tops and Bitcoin bottoms with certainty during Bitcoin cycles and in the long term. So If you are interested in regards of having a person who can lead you to the correct cryptocurrency path with a high certainty, then you can click in the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get a 10% discount when starting out this month, and at the same time you get access to my complete overview of the cryptocurrency market, and also I can teach you how to navigate with this market so you can have an edge at the cryptocurrency market as time passes, and at the same time you get to learn how to look at the cryptocurrency market with a professional overview. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. Have a nice day, guys, and take care, guys, and peace out, guys.